In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to print and get your boarding pass in Wizz Air directly on your smartphone device. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device and go into either App Store or Google Play Store. From here, you'll need to go down to the search bar and click in Wizz Air, like so. From here, you'll see the Wizz Air Book Flights, and here you'll need to download it and open it up, like so. Here you can see it is opening up. And from here, you can see you can search flight, but if you want your boarding pass, you'll simply need to go down to the menu and click pass, and then from here you can find my booking, and then you'll need to add in the passenger's last name and confirmation code. From here, you'll need to click find my booking, and then from here you'll get access to your boarding pass and every single detail there is to know about your flight. And you can also book directly from the app into the airport. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!